Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and today I am so excited to open this box. I just got it. I have not looked through it. It is from Hubman and Chubgirl, and they contacted me, asked me if I wanted to pick out some of their items in order to share it with you guys and give you guys a special discount code in case if you like some of their stuff and want to check them out. So I picked out some stuff, and it was a while ago, so I don't remember exactly what I picked out, but I am so excited because their stickers are super cute. So let's look at them. First off, super cute. Look at all of their little drawings. Let's see. What did I order? It says, oh my gosh, and that's cute too. Thank you and welcome. Hey there, thank you for your first purchase with us. Your purchase means a lot to our small team and family, and we hope you love everything you received. She's always loved stickers, stationery. She's happy to share. So, all right, awesome. Let's see. Oh my God, what is this? What did I order? Fantastic Moments. Look at how cute. Okay, so this is the Cozy Cats. Oh my gosh, there's another one in there. Okay, let's look at this one first. Cozy Cats Planner Kit. Let's see. So they've got planner stickers, they've got weekly kits, they've got monthly subscriptions, which I believe are all sold out, so they must be really good. Oh, look at how cute these kitty cats are. Okay, so this one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So we've got some super cute boxes. Look at him doing yoga. They are adorable. And some like quarter size boxes. These would be great also in a skinny mini planner. Oh, look at this. Look at them sleeping. How cute. And it's got some like washi strips. Oh, look how nice this is. This is like it's clear on the back. I've never seen that. Wow. And the quality is really, really nice. Super smooth. Okay, let's see. So these are cute little task boxes. Little trackers, bill due, don't forget, thankful for. The little sleeping kitty cat. There we got some numbers, to-do list, weekend. These are long strips. Oh no, this is like a separate little strip right there that says weekend. Oh my gosh. How cute. Ooh, and we've got some days of the week in a bunch of different colors. That's awesome. And then these little dots, when you see those, it's to put these little dots in there for the dates. How cute. Very cute, very cute. All right, so that was the Cozy Cats Planner Kit. So this is, oh my goodness. What are these? Let's look at these first. These are clean bedding. This is little planner stickers in their planner stickers spot. So these are great. Like, I don't know if you saw my last video, I talk about how I really like to fill in my planners whenever I'm doing laundry or cleaning day. And I thought when I picked these, I thought these were hilarious. Look at her face. Do you see that? She's angry. I'm always angry when I have to clean. And she looks determined. So anyway, these are great for making your spreads look really cute when you fill them in. So instead of just having, wash the sheets, you can have these happy little pillows on there, or her. She looks so cute. And here's when you have to do laundry. So these are the laundry, cleaning day, and clean bedding planner stickers. And I cannot wait to use those in my planner spreads. Okay. And this one, I loved the name. It's a Turtly Awesome Planner Kit, because who doesn't love cute little turtles? Let's look at the turtles. And this looks like sort of like the planner kit for the cats. Have an awesome day. You're totally awesome. Look how cute this is. Adorable. And then we've got some little boxes with some really cute turtles. You've got washi, you've got bigger boxes. You've got the quarter boxes, and this is super cool. I bet you, once you use these stickers, you can reuse this paper or that sticky stuff for, you can use it to put down on your planner as you're mapping out where you're going to put stickers, but also you can use it to store stickers. I like to do that. Okay, so here's some more. Bill due, thankful for, don't forget. Some little bullets. Weekend to-do list. Date stickers. Bunch of days of the week. Perfect. And we're back to the super cute little turtles. So adorable. And this one I thought was so cute. This is the capybara, if I'm pronouncing that correctly, mini planner kit. And I thought it was so cute for autumn. Look at them. I didn't even know they get in water. Interesting. How cute. Look at that. And this one comes with some days, and then you can just write in the number right there. Some trackers. So cute. I liked the colors. I can't wait to use them. Okay. This one I thought was a really neat idea. It is called Date Night Ideas. So you could do like a little bucket list page of date night ideas for you and your hubby or your significant other. Do nothing. We were like, knock that one off first. Couch cuddles, cook together, coffee date, fancy dinner at home, craft night. I thought these were just so cute, and I'm totally going to do these. I'm going to make my husband do them, even if he doesn't want to. Watch random YouTube videos. Work out together. Yeah, that probably won't happen. Spa date, play a video game together. This is so cute. I'm going to try and do this, like try to get all of these done before the end of the year. Watch the sunset. We will never watch the sunrise except for like something weird happening because we both love to sleep in a bit. Go on a hike, stargazing, have a picnic, dessert date. That'll be easy. How cute are these? So date night ideas would make a really cute, maybe I'll create a little page. I think that's what I'll do. I'll create a page for date night ideas and share it in a video with you all because that is just too adorable. Okay. Crazy Cats, and I hope I pronounced this right, Hobonichi Weeks Kit. This is perfect for my skinny mini. Look at how little and cute these are. Weekend, and I hope you can see these. Let's see if they're in focus. Yeah, they are. Look at this one. This is just too cute. Oh gosh. Okay, he's farting. So these are great for filling in if you want to say something about your cat or just create just an adorable little cat spread for those that love cats. You guys know I love cats. Monkey Love Mini Planner Kit. Another one that I thought was super cute with the little monkeys. Look at that. And I can't get over how nice of quality these stickers are. Look at this. That's adorable. So maybe I can use some of these also in the date night ideas. I love you. Bananas for you. Those are so cute. So that is the Monkey Love Mini Planner Kit. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got so much. And this is a nice little pouch. Very cute. And this is, what is this one? Oh, this is called, wait, let me think. Crazy Cat Planner Kit, maybe? It's a kit, and all of it comes in one, and it has a bunch of different things. So let's see. This is, ooh. Oh, look how cute. It's a pin. So I could like pin this on one of my bags. How cute. That's really nice. Wow, and really good quality. Okay, we've got, these are little limited edition vinyl die cuts. Let's look at the die cuts. Oh. Ah, that's so cute. Okay. The little bag on his head. Oh, how cute are these, you guys? Look at that. So fun. These are perfect for a planner spread. Perfect. Okay, let me just put them on the side. Okay, and here we've got Crazy Cats Up to No Good. Yep. Shredding paper in a plant, knocking stuff over, which, yeah, we all know they love to do that. Cute little cat emoji faces. Aw, crying, looking confused, giving the side eye. And this one, Crazy Cat's Hyper. Oh, when they're hyper and they have the zoomies. He drank too much coffee. How cute. And then here's some playing in boxes. And back to Up to No Good. Super cute. You know, sometimes you just have extra space in your planner spread and you want to fill it up. Put a cute little cat sticker in there and you can't go wrong. Okay, so this is just more of those in a different size. And here we can see them all a little bit better. How cute is that? And I love him and him. I love them all. Okay. Oh, that's right. And look at this. It comes with a little journal. How cute. This is a nice gift idea too. If you have like someone that you know that likes to journal, this is so cute. Ooh, and look, it's dot grid. Can you see the dots? And they're not too dark, not too light. Oh, and it's got a little bookmark. So this notebook, wow, it is nice, a nice paper. Very cute. Very nice little journal. And it's not overwhelming, you know. Sometimes you get these journals that have so many pages. Oh, look, and it's got a little pocket to put some of your stickers in. And you're afraid you're never going to fill it up. This is perfect if you don't journal every day and you just want to start out with a nice, really cute, simple journal. Too adorable. Oh, that's right. And I almost forgot. We've got some washi tape. Who does not love washi tape? I know I do. Let me pause it while I open this up real quick. Okay, I opened them up and I put them on here. This one has a really neat like texture to it, and it's a little bit thicker than your typical washi tape. And then this one feels like your typical washi tape, and it's super cute with the little crazy cat faces. One is called Crazy Cats, the other one's called Kitty Faces. They do have a lot more washi on their website, and a lot of it, of course, matches all of these cute little sticker sets that that you saw here. So these were the planner stickers for cleaning day. We've got Cozy Cats planner kit, the Turtley Awesome planner kit, the Capybara mini planner kit, this super great idea, which I cannot wait to use, the date night ideas, the Crazy Cats Hobonichi Weeks kit. They've got just so many cute items to choose from. And this was, of course, the little, the planner journal. I think it was called journal something. What was it called? This one was called the Crazy Cats Bundle. That's what this one is. And that one comes with all kinds of cute stuff. And you do get this little folder for keeping all of your planner sheets together. They do sell binders also that are for sticker storage. So you definitely want to check those out. And don't forget, if you go to their website, to use bplanner15. When you go to check out, it will give you 15% off. And let's see what else. They have an advent calendar, which is really cool. They sell journals and planners. I told you about the binders for the sticker storage. They've got monthly subscriptions. And right now, I think they're giving away a cute plushie also, if you buy a certain amount. So I hope that you will check them out. They are Hubman and Chubgirl. The code is BPlanner for 15% off. I will include the links in the video description down below and possibly in the first comment, just because I think that's always easier to find instead of having to go through the whole description. But anyway, this was super fun to open. Thank you so much, Hubman and Chubgirl, and I hope you guys will check them out, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye.